It's a brave new world for sure. And it's not only the usual paradigm we all use that, yes, the first reimbursed treatment was a couple of 2-3 years back, etc. Yes, it was a great start, but cell and gene therapy space is counting more than 20 years as a concept. Now, at an exponential rate, it is being enabled. We are seeing the opportunity and the challenge and the need in the healthcare systems, payers across the patient and the care line to make it affordable and accessible and available at point of care. I like to repeat ourselves. It's not only a CAR T. It started with CAR Ts. It's going, maybe there are technologies that we are seeing that are non-viral vectors based. There are technologies beyond the Immuno-Oncology platform. In the metabolic program, we have a great metabolic platform as well with some commercial product already available. In any other sort of treatments, whether it's autologous, allogeneic as well can be covered in some cases. So that would be a very nice in the future, maybe in the next 5 to 10 years to see allogeneic, because, small parenthesis, we call it allogeneic or autologous camps, which we should not. It's the patient. It's how you offer a treatment to the patient, and not as a third line, as a first line of choice. It's even, you call something off the shelf. It's not really off the shelf, because it may be available to you, delivered from a central facility. However, you have to make so many elaborate actions, processes, QCs, etc. at the point of care. That is not a plug and play. And the same happens with the technology. There are great companies out there, brilliant minds, masterminds coming with great ideas. It's not, you don't just deliver to a company or to a lab or to a clinical center a machine, a system, and they know how to set it in action. It would have a lot of challenges and increase the cost at the end of the day. This is our point of view, and we believe that the way we are deploying and enabling, we are acting as a catalyst.